We get our first taste of authentic Mexico at Habichuala Sunset. This is an old school restaurant where the servers wear uniforms and treat guests with dignity. They also serve bugs. All things considered, the grasshoppers, or chapulines, seem to be the best choice. Chapulines are grasshoppers eaten in certain areas of Mexico. They're collected wild, washed, toasted with garlic, lime juice, and salt. They may be eaten as snacks or as a filling. I'm going the taco route. I found them to be a bit like bacon bits with legs.
Good. What do you think? It's salty.